Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password within your Imprint account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Imprint application on your device and you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. If you log into your account, you will end up within your homepage, from which you can check within the account option at the top right corner by tapping on it, and you will see various details about your account, but there is no option to change your password. So in order to change your password, tap on the logout button to log out from your account. And then from the homepage, click on login in order to end up within the login portal. Then tap on the sign in with email option and then tap on forgot password. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account and then tap on the reset password button. You will then be asked to check your inbox in order to find an authentication link that you will need to click on in order to reset your password. Just click on this link and you will be allowed to enter your desired new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and then tap on the reset button. And now once you have changed your password, you can use this new password along with your original email address to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.